Hello everybody. Came across something odd that I've never seen out of all the years I've had chickens and been around them, which is most of my life, and I'm 42 years old. But my question is, has anybody ever seen an egg inside of an egg? We cracked this egg and it had the yolk and everything in it. But and you look down inside it, there is another littler egg in it. Never had that happen before. We'll crack it open, see if there's a yolk inside this one. And as you can see, there is a little bit in like the start of the yolk of another one. Which is weird. Never had one like that before. If you guys have ever seen something like that, comment down below. Subscribe to my channel and let me know your thoughts. So till then, have a great weekend and let me know what you guys think. Bye.